Can you guess which of these manifestation exercises has the greatest chance of helping you reach your business goals? In a study on weight loss, researchers broke participants down into 3 groups. Group number 1 was asked to take time every day to fantasize about showing up at their high school reunion, having perfectly hit their weight loss goals. Group number 2 is the obstacle group. They mentally rehearsed only the obstacles they will face in their weight loss journey. And group number 3 vividly imagined both the obstacles, like accidentally eating a donut and having to get back on the diet, and the positive outcome of showing up at their high school reunion having lost all the weight, and the feeling they'll get when everyone compliments them. And the results were crazy. Group number 3 that practiced mentally rehearsing both the good and the bad parts of the process. They lost 3 times more weight than both group 1 and 2, who only rehearsed only the good or the bad. So if you want to manifest your business goals, be sure to spend time every day